શું કરવું છે તારે?
આજનો પ્લાન ટ્રેનિંગ છે પહેલા તો 1:30 વાગ્યા સુધી તો એ ચાલશે અને પ્રેઝન્ટેશન શેર કરશે તો પછી એટલીસ્ટ આઈ વિલ ડુ માય અસાઇનમેન્ટ્સ. એ ઘણું બધું છે એ કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાનું છે. પછી રોમનનો વિડીયો શૂટ કરવાનો છે મને કર્યો હતો એટલી હિન્દીમાં. તો દેટ ઇઝ સમથિંગ વોટ વી વિલ ડુ. અને મારું ઓલું એક લખવી છે સ્ટોરી એ મારા આઈ એમ ઇનફના પેજ માટે. આટલું તો આજે કરીશ ગમે તે થઈ જાય. અને કુકિંગ, ક્લિનિંગ, બર્તન ધોના, આખા દિવસ બર્તન ધો.
તું બસ એક જ કામ કરે, બાકી બધું હું જ કરું છું.
ચલ નાટક. હવે લાઈફ ના ઓલામાં જાય એટલે પછી નેચરલી ઓલું ક્વેશ્ચન તો પૂછી શકે.
મને કે મમ્મી કે અત્યાર સુધી લાઈફમાં અત્યાર સુધી શું શું અચીવ કર્યું છે?
મેં ઘણું બધું અચીવ કર્યું છે. એમાં મારી સૌથી મોટી અચીવમેન્ટ શું છે? You are the one I achieved.
સો મમ્મી, તો આટલા બધા વર્ષ એકલી હતી. So what was that one thing which kept you going? Without a partner, you were there. So what was the one thing which kept you going?
That's an interesting question. I think what kept me going was a thought of never giving up. Because seriously speaking, I had no time. मतलब वो सोचने का टाइम ही नहीं था कि यार रुकना है या पॉज ले लूँ या थक गई हूँ आराम कर लूँ. I just didn't have, because you know there was a constant thought in my mind that if I stop, your progress will be held back, you know. So for me it was very very clear that I want to give you the best of education, because somewhere I could not complete my education, you know. So you can call it a fear or you can call it a strong desire of providing you that, because I knew I'm all alone, okay. And being a single parent, there is a thing of, okay, probably I'm giving something incomplete to my son, so probably to compensate that, or probably to give you the best, rather not compensate but give you the best, you know, as per my capability. I think if I have to sum up now in one word, I would call it persistence. Because and that I had to cultivate it. It didn't come very, you know, naturally. Okay, I'll be persistent and all. No, I think keep going. You know, keep going. Whatever you want, keep taking actions towards that. You don't have time to think or stop, because if you're clear, if you're passionate about what you want, because I was so passionate, like I was drowned in that one thought of giving the best education and the best lifestyle to you, because that is what I wanted to give you. I wanted to give you everything best, then be it any trainings that you have done, be it your education, be it your lifestyle, everything the best. And of course giving you with, you know, all the learnings of how a life should be handled. So yeah, persistence is something.
So for me, how do I figure out if I'm persistent or not?
Okay, so first thing, are you clear what you want in life?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the first element. You need to be clear, crystal clear of what you want. Like failure of recognition of what you want, persistence का सवाल ही नहीं आता ना फिर उधर. किसके लिए persistent रहोगे फिर, you know. So that's the first element. Second is habit of blaming. Do you blame people? Do you blame yourself? Then you are not persistent. Habit of passing on the buck. अच्छा मैंने नहीं किया, अरे ये तो तेरा काम था ना, you know. And you may come across this in college, in your college, in all the activities that you people do, the extracurricular especially. So habit of blaming, habit of passing on the buck, habit of compromising. चलता है attitude, चल जाएगा यार, कर लेते हैं ना. So that you can't have that if you're persistent, you know. Then habit of relying on somebody, कि हाँ यार ये है ना, ये कर लेगा. Importantly, what will work for you is firstly to get the clarity of what you want in life, and then taking the complete responsibility, because when you're 100% responsible, blaming gets eliminated, blaming gets eliminated, your passing on the buck gets eliminated, the habit of compromise gets eliminated. And then fear of criticism is very very crucial, when we talk about persistence, because if you are having a fear of criticism, you will not take actions, and if you don't take actions, you will not achieve your goals. So it's as simple as that.
So for me, how can I develop persistence right now? Starting from now, what steps can I take so that I lead a persistence life henceforth?
Okay, so in all these years, what I have figured out for myself is, there are only two, three, four elements only which I think I've worked on it very seriously, and I can only tell you that, and then balance you'll have to figure out for yourself. So for me, I think I had a very strong purpose, a
Hmm.
strong purpose that okay, I want to give the best education to my son. So that was one. Second thing was then having a plan with with continuous actions, that okay, what next, like for me in my job, how do I grow? And for me it was more from personally as a human being, and then secondly was monetary. So yeah, there was a phase where I wanted to grow monetarily, so that I can sustain your expenses. And then there was a phase in my life where I said, okay, I think now money doesn't matter, because I have come to a place where people will not compromise on my pay package. And that was the time where I started, my hunger of learning grew. So I think a definite plan. Of course, it was not planned like a paper, but there was always a thought process going on in my head. There were thoughts of how do I grow, how do I grow. And that was one question, a nagging question which I kept on entertaining. And because of that one question, things started falling in place, because I started getting answers at every level. So second is a definite plan with continuous action, and third, very very important and very very critical. So right from separation till today, I've made sure that I follow this, because which is keeping your mind shut from negative influences. Because right from when I chose, okay, I want to get separated and I will be a single parent, and so since then all the relatives to all the extended families to all the neighbors and the whole society rather, they kept on poking me. And it was very difficult, because I was 21 when we separated, and you were just 10 days, and it was very difficult. I just didn't know how to handle it. But one thing was that I don't want to entertain that. I'm not going to give up on my choice. I will continue this, and I'll make sure whatever comes in my way, I'll handle it. So keeping your mind shut from negative influences, and especially today for you people, it's very important, because we didn't have this level of exposure what you people are having. So you have phone, and you have media, and you've got WhatsApp, and then you've got Facebook. There are 10,000 things through which you are getting negatively influenced.
Hmm.
So it's your job, how will you organize your mind, or how will you train your mind in a way where you are completely aligned to what you want, and how will you deal with negative influences. And the fourth and the most important one is surround yourself with people who encourage you.
Hmm.
When you share your ideas, when you share your plans, they don't demean you, they don't degrade you, they encourage you. So I think that is one important element which is important. So there are four factors what I have spoken about: having a strong purpose, having a definite plan with continuous actions. Third is keeping your mind totally shut from all the negative influences, and fourth is surrounding people who help you grow, who encourage you. So I think itna kar liya na life mein, then you are set. I don't think then you will have to put in extra effort to be persistent, because then it becomes a way of life. It becomes persistence becomes a state of mind, you know.
Hmm.
So I think that's there.
ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ મમ્મી. ચલો હવે કામે લાગીએ. હા, આપણું બધું કામ જ આજ માટે.